Hi guys, I'm Nicolai Abano from Build with Nick. We are here in Sienna Woods and Hilbert, and we're gonna look at this beautiful house, which is a 4x2 with 2 garage, and they have a massive backyard as well. Let's go inside. One thing that I like here in Sienna Woods is the closeness to the Perth Hills. At the same time, it offers a very relaxing, calm environment, and most of the people who lives in this estate are first home buyer. One of the good things about Sienna Woods is there's a lot of ongoing construction or development within the area. For example, there's upcoming shopping center, there are upcoming primary and secondary school within the estate, but at the same time, there are already few schools within the suburb of Hilbert and Haynes. The good thing as well with Sienna Woods is there's a lot of park like the shipwreck here in Hilbert, and there's one huge park in Haynes as well. In terms of the block configuration, it is a 16 meters frontage while 20 meters length. So you have 16 by 20 block configuration. The land area is 295 square meters, while the house total area is 192 square meters. In terms of the design, it is our 3B design. You can check it out on our website as well. Finally, let's go inside the house. We are inside the master bedroom of the house. The size of the master bedroom is 3.5 by 3.5. We have the walk-in closet and the ensuite bathroom and toilet. Right across the master bedroom, we have the double garage, which can easily fit a 2 large SUV because it has a 28-core ceiling. Before we proceed to the common area or living area, the usual, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below if you have any question or clarification. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and feel free to share my video. Nonetheless, this is your common area, which is you have your living area, dining area, and your kitchen on my right hand side. When you combine the living and dining area, it is approximately 4 by 7, and we have the kitchen onto my right side. As you can see, we have a very spacious bench top. It is approximately 2.5 meters long and 1 meters wide. One thing that I like with this bench top, it has a very curvy corners, which is pretty safe for the kids. As the usual, we have the sink on the bench top, we have the range hood, the gas stove, and the oven. We have the walk-in pantry which has a 4 shelving, and you can pretty much put a lot of food inside the walk-in pantry. One thing that I like with the design is they chose tiles. Wow, they chose a tiles that really complements with the benchtop stone. And I think it complements with the cupboards, which is gray. All in all, the design is amazing. Across the kitchen, we have the bedroom 2, 3, and 4, the laundry, and the separate toilet and bathroom. In terms of the size of bedroom 2, 3, and 4, approximately their average of 3.4 by 3.1. Some of them are 2.8 by 4, and some of them are 3.2 by 3.8. Across the bedroom, we have the laundry on this side, and we have the guest bathroom and guest toilet. One thing that I've noticed with their laundry and their guest toilet and guest bathroom, it has a mix of modern black gray kind of design, which is really good, that complements well with their tile choice that they pick. Okay, not the least, we have the Alfresco. One thing that I like with the Alfresco and the backyard is it is pretty wide. It has a 3 meters wide and almost 20 meters length. So they have a bit more space to do some small to medium gathering, to add more plants, or even build a patio right at the back of the Alfresco. Alright guys, I hope you liked this episode key handover here in Sienna Woods in Hilbert. If you have any question on how to build a house here in Australia, mainly in Western Australia, do comment below, or you can easily contact us through our social media, either Facebook, Instagram, or you can directly email me through my email address. I will put down below. If you like this video, comment below, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to share my video to your friends and family. Alright guys, stay safe. Bye!